Hi, can you guys see me? Hi, can you guys see me? I am trying to. Hello. Okay, I can't see any of you. Okay, I need someone's help over here, I think so. I can't see any one of you. I can see. Okay, then. Okay, some of you have not started your videos. Hi, Gaurika.
Hi, how are you?
I am doing great. Okay, so some of you, I have admitted the 5 participants. I can see only, yeah. Natasha, can you start your screen? Can you all start your screen like, you know? Hi, Sachita.
मैंने अतीवा को भी बोल दिया.
Very nice, very nice. Well,
I can hear you. I can hear you. Hi, hi, hi.
hi,
He's
hi,
here.
hi. Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Lisa. Can you?
Gaurika.
Hi, hi, Natasha. Oh, yeah, you guys know each other now. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know Gaurika now.
So, okay, so I am actually going to be rolling also over here today. Like, you know, मतलब आज on
I already rolled.
Oh,
oh
nice.
nice
So
nice
I didn't have papers, so I'm using my pipe. I don't know if you
oh
guys
my
can
god
see
oh
it.
man
God.
oh my god
So I've already filled it. I cleaned my horrible stash that I have with me.
oh my god okay then
So there have been days during this lockdown where I think that I'm not going to smoke cigarettes and I should just
हाँ
smoke weed. Those
हाँ
days वो पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाते हैं यार. मेरा किया कराया पूरे हफ्ते का योगा खत्म हो जाता है.
अरे रे रे
इतना
रे रे
खाती हूँ मैं उसके बाद
ये
समझ में नहीं आता.
बाकी लोग कहाँ पे हैं I have no clue I am just gonna call up मंत्रा okay क्या है भाई इसको Okay. Hi, Jago. Okay, where are you, mister? The women are, the
Jagriti!
ladies are,
Hi, Jagriti!
the ladies are waiting for you. Please come soon, okay?
यार मुझे कुछ माल भिजवा दो
You should come to
यार
me.
गंदा गांजा पी पी के खराब हो गया है मेरा सीन. Anyway, so guys, I have adopted a dog. It's a boxer which was abandoned by his previous owners.
Oh my God, nice.
Yeah. So I was about to get abandoned myself. My landlord told me that I should move out. But then we convinced him कि हमें नीचे cellar में रखने दो उसको.
अरे
So
रे रे
आजकल,
रे.
so both of us have a house now.
Oh,
And
very
till
nice.
when we don't know. But yeah.
Okay. Are you on
He's,
laptop right now or are you on phone right now? Can you share
I am
the...
on laptop, but I can show you the doggy. Because
Hi,
he's here.
oh my God, your tweet.
What's his name?
His name, okay, so the rescuer, he responded to the rescuer on the name Caesar. So I've been calling him Freezer, but everybody's got his own name for him. So,
Okay, so
yeah.
Mantra is here as well.
Hi,
To
Mantra.
all the ladies, to all the babas, a big pranam from me. And wow, what a beautiful day to get together. All of us say, I see a lot of people. Baba,
Yes,
पहले तो
और
हेमपुवती
आज
को मेरा प्रणाम.
आशीर्वाद बालक. आप आशीर्वाद दीजिए. There are more people joining in. Till the time, I'm going to introduce you, starting with Gaurika. So Gaurika is from Delhi, and she is an educator herself who works on social issues, and she has 2 teenage boys.
And
Hello.
I saw Gaurika in your last chat, if I'm not wrong, the chat that you had. Yes,
Yes,
Gaurika, I remember.
Yeah.
Super.
And on my right hand side, I think so, if you guys can see, that is Sachita. Now, Sachita is one of the most amazing artists that I have met in my life, and who channels a very wild spirit, I would say, through paints. Okay, so her,
Hi, Sachita.
yeah, so her, art is amazing. I would really want you to check that out later. Now is my
I see some wonderful paintings in the background there.
Yeah. This is my studio space. I'm working on a few paintings right now.
A good time to be where you need to be during the quarantine, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Now, the next to that is Jago Mata Jagriti, the dreadlocks lady that you see. She is Haryanvi. Yes, she has taught me the ways of the mountains in Manali, I would say. And she has been breaking a lot of norms. She started a no bra movement in Himachal, I would say, in Manali, and pretty much all the local ladies love her for that, you know. So yeah, making them understand what really are the benefits, pros and the cons of such things are very important, because breast cancer is directly linked to your lingerie or the bras. We deal with a lot of breast cancer patients, and that is kind of sad. And I see Alicia just join in. Hi, Alicia, how are you?
Hi. Hey, happy 420, everyone.
Happy 420, everyone.
So she is representing cannabis, internationally at the moment. Why don't you introduce yourself, because you're the first international guest, Alicia?
Hey, I'm Alicia. I'm from Germany, or I'm actually from the US, but I live currently now in Munich. And I work at a CBD company here, one of the first and few from the very beginning 2 years ago, when this all kind of started to kick off in Europe. It's a little bit behind the US, but we're pioneering here in Europe.
Fantastic.
So now with that, I see my obsessive compulsive traveler, another Devi, which Himachal introduced me to, though she is my South Indian Devi, but again, Parvati introduced us, and that is Divya Prasad for you. Now she is a travel blogger, and she is famous for blogging about temples, various temples across the globe. She has been traveling extensively to places where there is still, spirit, let's just call it, out there, and which communicates with her. So yeah, you should definitely check out her blog. Last, I think so, she was in Sri Lanka and Canada, and the people out there love her. People out here love her equally.
Not Canada.
Oh,
That was
not
just a
Canada.
part of my work. not
Okay,
Canada.
but Sri Lanka, right? The last one was
Yeah.
Sri Lanka. Hello?
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so now we also have Madhu ma'am. Hi.
Hi.
So Madhu ma'am is basically, why don't you introduce yourself to begin with to all of us, and then I will give her a little. Hello.
I think our audio is still connecting. It hasn't gone in yet.
Okay. Yeah, I am technically challenged beyond, man. Like,
Baba, you are technically connected to the right vibe. The internet is too low right now. ये 5G, 5G का connection नहीं है, आपका connection किसी और जगह पे है. And it is so beautiful that you get a chance to get all these wonderful people together. And I'm just thankful to you for doing what you're doing right now.
Mantra, I am nothing without all these ladies out there, and some of them are actually going to join in, So trust me, all of them all of them have played a very important role in their lives. So we have Natasha at least. By the time Madhu ma'am joins in, we have Natasha, and Natasha is my sister from Nepal. So she has.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
She's actually in Nepal right now. How jealous.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you're in
Himachal,
Nepal, you
so I'm
can't be
jealous too.
jealous. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you are where one should be. Where we all would have wanted to be right now. आपके photos और videos देख रहे हैं.
Yeah, we don't even have stock.
प्रसाद की कभी कमी किसी को नहीं होगी. सच्चे मन से शिव जी से प्रार्थना करो, सबको मिलेगा. पार्वती माँ से प्रार्थना करो, सबको मिलेगी. और सबके लिए सारे गिफ्ट्स वेट कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे जब सब आ जाएंगे तो सबके लिए यहाँ पे गिफ्ट्स वेट कर रहे होंगे. And Natasha, I would want to tell all of you, has been ruling the hemp fiber space in India as well. She has been the biggest supplier for biggest companies like Boheco as well, I would say. Hemkari Chicken and more have been actually dealing with her. So she is the woman behind all the big brands, dude. They don't get to see who is actually supplying them.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah,
That's
In fact, our
awesome.
last trip to Nepal, when I was there, we were shooting just a couple of months back. We were there in Kathmandu, and then we were at Pokhara. And the kind of people who I met who were working in the hemp industry over there, I mean, छोटे से छोटे level से लेके people who were just farmers, people who were just running small time hemp stores से लेके industry. So I'm so glad Nepal has managed to do what we should really be pioneering, what we should really be looking for.
Yeah. Here, people are very crazy about not just wasting the time and doing anything what they can do. So it's been great. The hemp industry has been great in Nepal.
Wow.
Yeah, I had a friend who was managing like a business out of hemp products.
Nepal has been very advanced.
From Nepal.
Okay, so I am trying to see.
Yeah, sorry, I can't hear you.
I'm trying to see there are 2 more people trying to log in. Why don't you guys continue with the chat while I figure out what's up with them and mute myself? I think so. Okay.
Go ahead and do that. And this is the reason why we were just chatting about, this is something that I picked up from Nepal also. Of course, the colors are pretty Rastafarian, but everything, andar bhi likha hua hai, made in Nepal. So I think every hemp product, especially the hemp clothings that we managed to see, thankful to Nepal. Is there any place in India who's producing this? Anybody knows about that?
No.
Hello, excuse me.
In India,
we are producing it. आओ कभी हिमाचल, आओ कभी पहाड़ पे, तुम्हें दिखाते हैं.
अरे सबसे बढ़िया Sachita, I don't know. I think Sachita or sorry, Divya. Did I say? Am I getting that name right? Because obsessive compulsive traveler के आगे का नाम miss out हो गया. What's the name again?
Yeah. Just call me Divya. I mean,
Divya. No, sorry, I couldn't read out the name.
Thanks to Priya, she always introduces me as yeah.
Oh yeah, man. I mean, her blog is amazing. It really brings you to the temples without going there. I mean, no one else has channeled that part, you know. Not all of us are lucky to go to those places, and she is the one I have really seen because she feels it, no? So yeah, now continue. Sorry. Yeah.
No, so you, as she was saying that भाई कईयों का तो stock भी नहीं बचा यहाँ पर, but up there in the mountains where Priya is, वहाँ पर तो बाहर मतलब the way it grows, and I come from this place called Omkareshwar, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and हमारे यहाँ पे आश्रम के बाहर पे एक अजीब सी एक प्रथा थी since childhood. मैं जब भी आश्रम में बैठा रहता था, गाय की आवाज आती थी. Our cows, जो हमारे गाय और बछड़े बाहर घूमते रहते थे, suddenly used to go out and see the cow running on 2 feet. 2 पांव आगे 2 पांव पीछे, 2 पांव आगे 2 पांव पीछे, big smile on the face and the tail is up there somewhere. And we all, मैं पूछता था बाबा क्या हुआ, तो बाबा बोलता था अरे कुछ नहीं, बीजे फेंके थे, पौधा होगा, गाय ने खा लिया और उसके बाद जो होना था वो होगा. So I swear I saw trippy cows in Omkareshwar. It's such a beautiful space.
You know,
किया
funny
जाता
that
है.
you mentioned
वो
that.
दूध ज्यादा देती है, तुम्हें पता है दूध के लिए दिया जाता है, उसका पेट
Wow.
साफ करने के लिए दिया जाता है. मेरे पास गाय वो खाती थी and it's
That is so
मतलब
cool.
And you know, while we do desi things, पोलैंड की एक यूनिवर्सिटी ने इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट भी कर लिया और उन्होंने 50 मतलब number of cows that they fed hemp fiber, 50 of them actually gave better milk and were better, and the ones who didn't get that hemp fiber fodder, they were not getting healthier or giving that amount of milk or quality of milk. So you know, हम यहाँ पे हमारे पूर्वज कर रहे हैं
antibiotic for them.
Yeah. So हमारे पूर्वज यहाँ पे सब कुछ कर रहे हैं and ये हो जाता है. Okay, now Divya Batra has joined in. Yay, hi Divya. Now Divya is the woman behind Quirksmith, you know, the most amazing damn silver products and the latest.
Really?
Yes, yes. That is Divya Batra for you. So yeah.
Yeah, man, you did have to introduce Divya because the moment I saw we saw the beautiful ornaments on her, you could figure out it's Quirksmith, and I ordered myself a few things. It's kept in there, and I picked up all your children's stuff also, by the way, Divya, because you had some specific names, Googloo and some Gudiya and nice. Those are fantastic stuff, some great stuff. Yeah, यार लड़कों के लिए भी ज्यादा चीजें बनाओ यार, ऐसा मत करो यार. नहीं, मैं तो सब पहन लूंगा. मैं तो सब पहन लूंगा, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मैंने आपकी वो नथनी भी पहननी है, मैंने आपके वो कान के अंदर जो क्लिप लगाने वाले वो भी पहनने. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
We have the model ready.
आपका वो जॉइंट वाला केस बहुत प्यारा है. Like
क्या वो मुझे भी चाहिए वो वाला.
उस पे लिखा क्या है दिव्या?
जमीन से जरा ऊपर बहने दो, अभी बस यहीं रहने दो.
Very nice.
And now with that, I also want to introduce you guys to our international sister out here, Lisa. Now, Lisa is the brain behind Toke Activity, which has changed the face of women and cannabis in US. So I am so excited to introduce all of you to this amazing lady out there who has been supporting Hempathy for the last couple of months with so much knowledge and yes, patience, because I am technically challenged. So yeah.
You're doing amazing. You're doing amazing. Hi, everybody. I literally lit a bed. It's like it's 3:46 a.m. here, so I was just like, okay, I have to like wake up for this. I have to go to India, so I have my.
We have 3 more minutes to go, you know, for the 4:20 mark.
तुमने तो
like the joint.
तुमने तो बना के ready रखा होगा ना अपना joint.
No, Ben, I'm rolling the joint right now, and I want Lisa to actually share what all is Toke Activity planning to do in India for us women. You know, she has some amazing plans, some amazing events that Toke Activity has been doing in US, and we would be doing it for us amazing ladies out here. But again, she's the brain behind it, man. I don't have that level of entertainment creativity. That's why Mantra is here, and she is.
Yeah, so Tokeativity is the global feminist community for active cannabis culture. We are really passionate about cannabis normalization, consumption culture, most especially women empowerment and feminine empowerment with the plant. So a lot of our activities are, you know, they're social activities where we get to connect with one another and learn new things about what new cannabis is coming out. You know, like all the different states here have different legalities. I'm in Oregon, so we have recreational cannabis here and have since 2015. So we can just go to a dispensary and buy it. And I know that that's different in different parts of India, right? Like there's some states that are legal and some states that are not.
Exactly,
Where
yeah.
is everybody? Where are you all?
So most of us are in places where medical is acceptable under right to life. So under the center law, it is acceptable under right to life if we want to treat with medicinal herbs. But again, for cultivation of those medicinal herbs, the laws are different, right? So there are 7 places, but unfortunately, none of the sisters are in the legal stage or the one out there, you know.
I won't tell anybody.
Yeah, like before leaving, I had like actually like stocked up something like as a reserve, you know, that when I come back, I'm just going to use that. And like the lockdown. But,
so I am going to go live on our Instagram handle also.
Are you going live, Baba, or आप जा रहे हो live आपके पेज से?
आप जाओगे please, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
तो अगर मैं live जाता हूँ और आपको accept करता हूँ, so that आप सबसे मिलवा सकते हैं.
Yes, done deal. Okay.
Baba, just a second. I'm going live. If you can join in.
Okay, there's just 1 minute to go, guys.
1 minute already.
And we will all be
left. So like, you know.
Yes. Ready. Everybody's ready on it.
Yeah, everybody's ready. Just start.
Everybody's ready with that.
देखो light भी आ गई मेरे यहाँ पे ना.
Ready? Okay, guys, I'm gonna burn
Okay,
like
happy 420, guys.
some Palo Santo for like some good
420.
energy.
Everybody, 420.
Happy 420.
Because I
Happy
can't.
420.
भाई बाबा आप तो जलाओ, आप कब जलाओगे?
बाबा आपको इंतजार कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Happy 420, everyone.
Happy 420, Lisa.
420. Happy 420, guys.
Baba, have you joined the chat?
I am
Okay,
just
I'm just
trying to figure this out.
burning some
And
Palo
trust
Santo.
me, I am very bad with this thing. Okay, I can't see you live, but.
I am, Baba. Go for it.
Okay.
Look for Mantra Mukh.
Yes, no, found it, yes. Look for all of us, you know. Okay, yeah. Okay, how request.
that sounded good.
Yeah, that's a nice hit.
This is my first toke of 2020 here for 42020 since it's only 3:51 a.m. here.
Oh damn! So see, India is ahead, right? India is well.
All right, we are live right now with Hempwati. She is right now in Himachal. Hempwati, can you tell us where you are right now?
So right now I am in Himachal Pradesh and I am in a village, and for medicinal purposes, yes, under right to life, I am allowed to smoke because I'm a part of a democratic country, right? Our laws are there. As an ex-tuberculosis patient, I have lit a joint today and happily I am going ahead with Dhoompan Seva of medicine, you know. So yes.
And Baba, can you introduce all the wonderful ladies who we have joined with today, one by one?
Yes, so the first one is Sachita. Say hi, Sachita.
Hi.
Sachita
Hi,
is
say hi. Can you guys see me?
and is based out of South India. I'm not going to be specific about women's location. As you know, these days people are very sick. The second sister next to my window is Jago Mata, Jagrati. She has taught me the mountain ways. So what you see or what you like about me in mountains is all Jagrati Mata. Down there is our sister from Germany, and she has been supporting us and giving us a lot of information about things that are happening out there. Then comes my obsessive compulsive traveler, which is Divya Prasad. Again,
I don't have a joint, but I'm lighting some Palo Santo, you know, just for the good vibes. So.
Oh my God, nice. And then
I'm at a place where I can't smoke a joint right now.
And then we have Madhu auntie. Madhu. Now Madhu is someone who has taken over the entire mental health since the time we guys were not even aware of mental health, you know. From 90, she has been taking care of mental health of youth and people.
Hi guys.
Hello. Hi.
Network is bad. Yeah.
Yes.
Struggling. Good to see you all.
Hello.
Same here.
Then comes Lisa. Lisa is our sister, and I want all the women out there on Mantra's account to actually head to Talk Activity, which is a network of sisters from around the globe. You know, feminist sisters around the globe working towards cannabis, and she's bringing them all together and has created such an amazing event circuit, network circuit, and knowledge base. You know, that is insane. You know.
Superb.
Hi, everybody.
Nice.
Thanks for having me.
Then we have Natasha, our sister from Nepal. Now, that is the woman who supplies actual hemp fiber to the entire industry of India as well, all right? So anything that comes from Nepal to the biggest brands in the country, there's a woman behind. Bhai, Devi बैठी है, देवता आगे बैठे हैं, लेकिन देवी के बिना काम नहीं होने वाला उनका भी. Then comes, oh my God, Apu is okay. Apu is there, Apu is not there, unfortunately. We have Divya Batra down there, which is again, amazing lady. Please go to her account called Quirk Smith, which is the best silver jewelry brand across the globe. And
Thank you.
she has some of the most amazing cannabis-related jewelry and the, you know, joint ka dabbi. It's called a joint.
Yeah,
You know?
we all want the joint kadabbi.
Yeah. Then,
Yeah, joint ki dabbi is must for all of us.
Then we have Gaurika out there. If you see just next to Divya is Gaurika. She is an educator
Hello.
out there. One second. Yay. Okay. Yeah. So she is an educator from, let's say, the heart of the country. And she's been taking care of social issues across for the last 2 decades. And she has 2 teenage boys. And she understands the pros and the cons of the plant and supports the right thing. And
Yes,
we
I
have
do.
Mohita out there. Now, Mohita is someone who runs another hemp-related organic brand, which is called Little Sherpa. It has a lot of interior products, and she tries to hand make them, or at least use artists which don't use machinery, you know. So important for post-corona economy, right? Okay, so we have 2 more sisters joining in. One is Apurva. So Apurva is another artist sister of ours. She is based out of, again, the same place as I am. Let's just say that. All right. And she is blessed to mix the nature with artwork. Next to her is Nia. Nia is a known upcoming rapper. She has been supporting cannabis for a very long time, along with Mumbai Stoners. And hats off to them for their seva during this time in pandemic. And they feeding non-stop since the time the lockdown happened to I don't know how many hundred of people. So I've been witnessing that. So yeah, that is an amazing thing. Young, but you know, done by young people. They are way younger than all of us. They're in like they're teenagers, dude. Do you see Mantra? Like teenagers are feeding 100 people out there, hundreds of them out there.
This is a perfect time to drop a beat and maybe have something for everybody who's come together. Do you wanna rap out something for us? I mean, is there something on your mind?
Nia, would you like to rap something?
Nia's mic is off.
Sorry?
Nia, would you like to rap something for all of us? Would you like
Yes,
to?
of course.
You have an amazing ganja song. Come on.
Okay. Yeah. अब मेरी है सरकार, मुझे गांजे से है प्यार, तकरार करने वाले तेरी जिंदगी बेकार, धिक्कार तेरा जीने पे समय गुजारे पीने में, दारू तेरे लीवर में तो गांजा मेरा सीने में, जीने पे बैठे मेरे दोस्त करे है मेरा इंतजार, एक कश की है दूरी और पूरी दुनिया आर पार, 4 बार करेगा तू, बार बार करेगा तू, एक बार लेगा गांजा तो हर बार करेगा. Yes.
Oh my God!
Very nice. Very nice.
This was fantastic.
20 people.
Oh my God, dude. And this was amazing, man. So I'm going to let go of the live chat because I want to be a part of this conversation. I want to showcase few things, okay?
Yes. I'm going to quickly say goodbye to everyone and join in with you. So that was 8 people. And
now I want to share something very open with all of you. All right?
Yeah.
So because we have
10 minutes more for the same call and you girls are invited to continue more and I would actually like to do that. I am sharing a copy of the contract. Today being 4/20, you know, the copy of the contract which Indian government is issuing, but none of the companies are showing you guys. They are hiding because the Indian government doesn't have to do publicity that they have issued the licenses. They are allowing the licenses, but the companies are not showing those licenses. You know, so that is the sad part out here. Okay. So I am going to be reading something very important. All right. But before I start reading, I would want Mantra to come back as well because, you know.
Yeah, and I'll just get water.
Okay. भैया बहुत सही टाइम पे वापस आए. मैं पेपर लेके आ गई.
हेलो.
ज्ञान योगी हूँ तो ज्ञान तो लेके आना ही है मुझे, है ना? तो ये
बहुत जरूरी है आप.
Very good. Yeah.
It is an Indian government contract which all the companies who are getting the licenses are hiding from people because they don't want the farmers to get the, you know, get the information. Otherwise, their monopoly will go down at this particular time. When I say monopoly, then right now they are having all the private licenses. They can grow on private land and import, export out. All right. Now, Lisa, it is very important for you to also listen to this because you have some amazing, investors out there who are looking to work on grassroots level. We have access to the authorities. We have access to the farmers. And I'm reading on a live session out here with one of the most celebrated RJs, radio jockeys, and actor of the country right now, RJ Mantra. So the right people would get this information out, you know. So I'm reading that part out for all of you. So जरा गौर फरमाइएगा आप लोग. इतना मतलब
इरशाद नहीं, विजया.
So the company will establish infrastructure in and transfer intellectual property, know-how, methodologies, expertise, and plant material into India for the cultivation of medical cannabis containing THC and CBD. There is no mention of how much CBD, no mention of how much THC. That means the actual contract say whatever is needed for medicine, right? So that is very important. And import, export bulk finished THC and CBD medical cannabis goods into and out of India. Will seek to develop long-term manufacturing and distribution of safe and effective medical cannabis products for the domestic, Indian and international medical cannabis market. भाई किसने मेडिकल कैनबिस मिला है अभी तक मेरे अलावा? मतलब कौन अभी मेरे को बता दो कौन खरीद पा रहा है THC CBD? Who has been able to buy THC and CBD in the country on a normal basis in spite of such contracts being out? Sad state of the companies who are getting these contracts and not giving money to the PR to publish this. The government has given us the contract, now we are trying to do something. All they are saying is doesn't let them market, government doesn't let them do something. But the reality has just come out wherein we have got the government contracts only out. So government has helped going ahead and asked us to develop those products. And it's been 4 years. The first company, I'm not going to name the company out here. That's going to be bad on my part. 4-5 years back, the first company who got the medical cannabis license had the opportunity to launch THC and CBD products in the first year. They have still not submitted their clinical trials. They have still not developed products. They're still developing products from bhang patta. They're still developing products with the leaf. They're not developing products with buds, what we are talking about, the actual medicines. And they're charging 11,000 rupees for, leaf medicine. Can you believe it? I don't know how much 11,000 rupees. Can you do someone, how much would it be in dollars? 11,000 bucks for, for nothing, I think. So I think 500 bucks? No, $500 or something? No.
Nah, $500 is too much. Maybe 100 something.
Still $100 converted into India, it's like 11.5 grand we are talking about, and you're giving us medicine made out of leaf, saying it will help cancer patients. Dude.
Where's the roadblock? Baba, where's the roadblock right now?
There is one more organization, I think.
The biggest
in the Himalayas.
Yeah, so there is one more Himalayan hemp company. There are such smaller organizations. See, Hempathy is not an organization. Hempathy is an activist. Who's Hempathy? I have no organization. I have no foundation. I'm an activist trying to do my thing. Tomorrow I die. I did my activism and I can sleep at rest. After sharing my, contract details, if I go missing or something happens, please understand that I have shared pharmaceutical companies' contract details, okay? Which they have been hiding for a long time. People like Mantra, won't you be interested to actually invest in this? Wouldn't you want to get involved into something like that?
Absolutely. In the coming days, if people get an opportunity to, and if they have all the legalities and everything in place, and some things which Priya herself has worked so hard upon, and many other people who have reached to such a level where something like this can happen. I'm a small time person, but I can still think about this. Why can't big pharmaceutical companies who have all the infrastructure ready to actually invest into it should go for it? I would, if ever given a chance, Priya, I would reach a level, Baba, where I would definitely like to go for one of those Mark Emery lounges that I've seen in Canada or any other places.
Oh shit, you don't know who's my mentor, do you? I will make you meet Mark Emery tomorrow. No, after lockdown. So he started mentoring me, man. 5 years back, he started mentoring me when I was curing myself. And he's a sweetheart.
And it's absolutely beautiful what I have seen. I mean, I'm sure everybody, there are lots of sisters who are from international markets, and we've been to places where medical cannabis, or what Mark Emery did with lounges or his medical centers, I'm really a big fan of that. I think it's something required.
So there are 2 more people joined in, and I would want to introduce them because we just have 6 more minutes, so we can, kind of continue with the entire thing. There is Dhruvi, my darling, my Devi, my screen Devi, who is out here, and who is your friend as well. The friend, the most amazing, darling friend. Okay. Her internet connection is unstable, I think so. So she has disappeared for some reason. Okay, I'll go back to Athiva for now. Athiva is in Banaras. She has been a part of, let's say, spiritual movement in India for a very long time, and has been working with a lot of foreigners to actually, educate them on not just Sanatan, but how Sanatan is the same spirituality which is packaged in a lot of different things, but in a very, nice manner. Okay, Dhruvi is back.
And she's my guru. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
Hey, Larika.
Hi.
We have connected from a long time on this path of connecting and doing good work here, or working on ourselves. For Gaurika, it was good finding. For me, it was amazing finding Gaurika. So yes, it's a win-win. Real good to have her. Yes.
She's been in Banaras for a long time. So any one of you who's planning to go to Varanasi, Kashi Vishwanath, please connect with Athiva Devi, and she will actually show you the real Kashi Vishwanath and not the commercial side. So the real feel karna hai.
I love Varanasi. Hey Priya ma'am, I want to show you something.
Yes,
420.
Oh my God, dude.
This is from Mumbai Sonals for you.
So sweet. They are the
We'll send you after quarantine.
They are the sweetest. Don't send
I'll also show you something.
Yeah, we'll send you all.
तुम्हारे साथ महाराष्ट्र मध्य प्रदेश
See this.
Gaurika is also on.
I gotta start.
मैं पार्वती में बैठी हूँ तो मैं पार्वती के साथ. And now, last 1 second before the time runs out, I need to introduce you guys to Dhruvi, who's my sweetheart friend from Mumbai. And especially Lisa, you need to meet her because she's the one who will be handling the Mumbai meets. She organized the most amazing meets for me, where Mantra was also present. She, made sure the entire event was as if, it was planned as if in, weeks advance, but it was barely a day before when we organized all of this. And yet, she's so humble, and you don't understand that she's actually a television actress, a very big actress, and she has massive following. And, she plays mythological characters and plays with the elements and energies, on screen.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, now we can.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, can hear you.
Okay. Great. Hi guys. Hello. Hi Lisa. Who is Lisa? Is that you?
Yeah.
I'm searching. Where's the one? Hi.
Hey. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. So nice to meet you all, lovely people, huh?
Yeah. Still
Guys,
same
Lisa's.
Mantra, hi.
Hi, Dhruvi. Good to see you. Yeah.
What's up?
So you missed out the 420, but all the ladies got together. I'm including myself in the ladies section also. But
भाई
yeah,
आज
it was a
कृष्ण
crazy
कन्हैया की
time.
तरह
420.
Yes, सबको आशीर्वाद दीजिए
मैं
आपके
I
हाथ में
am
यही subject।
absolutely. मैं आप सबका आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आया हूँ। मैं आपका आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आया हूँ। And all the wonderful devis, my dear Shaktis, my
Thank
dear
you so much.
all of them. Thank you very much for blessing
Sada
us.
Vijay Bhava. Sada Vijay Bhava.
Tathastu.
Who
Vijaya Bhava.
Vijaya Bhava. You
Sada
know, that is-
Vijay Bhava.
Sada Vijaya Bhava. That is the best thing
Vishal is
that
busy.
we can wrap up with, because I think so 40 minutes are over. But I think me and Mantra are going to go live now
Yeah.
on our handle and continue the global economy with cannabis and the contract details that all of you can get to know. So come on Mantra's handle so we all can go live and understand all of this.
Okay.
Okay,
bye.
Thank you, everybody.
It was
Boom.
lovely
Bye.
connecting with you all. Yeah.
Meeting you all. Take good care. All the best.
Bye.
Guys, stay
Bye.
tuned.
Take care. Bye.
Nice.